Hello, my name is Kevin Kevans, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you something different. But before then, please do well to click the subscribe button. And wait, why is my screen green? All right. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the green screen of clips and videos. So when you have your footage there, you import the footage with the green screen above the footage you wanna work with, and when you play that, you see that the green screen has covered the footage below the timeline. And what you gotta do is you double click the the clip with the green screen, and then when you double click there, you scroll down, you see the chroma key checkbox. You check that in, and boom, you're done. And in case if you have another color, probably a blue screen, you just click the eyedropper tool close to the color tool there, and you select the color you want to remove from the screen, and that's all. So if you learned something from this video, do well to click the like and the subscribe button. And if you want us to create a tutorial for you, you can just mention that in the comment section below, and we'll get it right done for you. Peace out.